Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for Vlogmas Day 2. Today I'm decorating my living room and this is almost everything I have to work with today. I wish I could do more in here, but my cats will just knock over everything and ruin everything, so it's just not worth it. As always, stay until the end to see the final result. And before I start decorating, I'm going to tidy up first, so I'm taking everything from the coffee table so I can wipe it down, and I will also take care of the couch.
Almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on.
Now I'm going to start decorating this glass cabinet, but first I'm taking everything out so I can clean the inside because it was really dusty.
This Christmas song, from this Christmas song, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas song. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end.
I have a red and silver theme, so I decided to leave the silver pineapple here and I just added a red bow on the top.
That we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on.
I also decided that I will fill this big clear bowl with red and silver ornaments because I really couldn't come up with anything else here, but I really like how it turned out at the end.
From this Christmas song.
Also, I'm so sorry that my camera keeps zooming in and out. It happens in some clips throughout the video. I must have messed up the settings or something like that, so I tried to speed up those clips a bit more.
This Christmas song. From this Christmas song.
I still wanted to put something in this cabinet because it felt like it was missing something, but at the end I decided to just add this red bead garland around every cup that I have in here. This just added a little bit more red.
Decorating the tree from this Christmas song. From this Christmas song. I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish.
Now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the glass doors with my glass cleaner and paper towels.
Perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors.
they hold nothing next to you.
The next thing I'm going to decorate is this TV stand, and I'm dusting it first. And that's another place I really wish I had some green garland to put on here. First I didn't even plan on decorating it, but then I remember what I did last year in our bedroom, and I did the same here this year. I just grabbed some battery operated twinkle lights, and you know I love lights, and then I just putting some ornaments on the lights.
Following the stars that lead me straight to you, And though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. Ooh, I'll be home for you. There is nothing else I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true? Let's not wait another year.
Now I'm just picking up all the decorations that I didn't use to put them away, and then I'm going to wipe down the table again because it was full of glitter.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their home.
The next thing I'm going to do is put some more lights on this stair railing, and this is yet another place that would look so much better with some green garland.
It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air. That every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around.
The last thing I'm going to do is putting this Merry Christmas sign about this living room entry arch.
All the colored lights lighting up this town.
I will finish in here with a little bit more cleaning so everything will look so nice and fresh at the end, so I'm wiping these two desks that we have here.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town.
And the last thing I'm going to do in here is vacuum the floors, and after that I will show you how everything looks now that it's finished.
Snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and let me know down in the comments what theme did you choose for decorating this year. And if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Under the tree, tomorrow